Hello everyone, welcome to this question on percentage change. We have Mr. Chen, monthly expenditure has increased from $3,200 to $3,400. Find the percentage increase. Okay, so using the formula here, you would then see that to find the percentage increase, we will focus on this part of the formula, and then you will see that this is how we do it. So the percentage increase in Mr. Chen expenditure will be equals to the increase 3,400 minus away the original, and after that I'm going to divide by the original before I multiply by 100%. So this will give me a value of 6.25%. We've come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.